Alright you guys, so for this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make thumbnails with Canva. So Canva is a free software to use. They have a pro version, but if you want more access to the features, you can go purchase the pro version, or if you're okay with the features you'll have access to, then that's fine. So these are some of the designs I made with Canva, and I'm slowly testing out different styles that I can use. Sometimes it takes a while to find the style that fits, but we're getting there. It's progress. So let's use this style. Let's use this one just for the sake. Now Canva does come with templates that you can use. And if you see a free sign by it, then it's free. Or if you see the crown sign, then that means it comes with their pro version. And they do have different templates for different styles of videos. Like templates for gaming, templates for tech, templates for beauty. So the one thing that I learned when it comes to thumbnails is you don't want to use curly text. That's hard to read. So we're going to be revising that. So you can go to elements and then go to the square, and then you can make it a rectangle, or hey, and then you can make the box white, red, black. We'll use black. Then you can go to text, and then you have some text here. That's the thing I like about Canva, is that it already has a layout and you pick the one you like the best. So let's use this one, and you can simply delete what you don't need, and that's what we're going to be doing, deleting the element we don't need. And then we're going to call this one thumbnails. So we're going to use the text thumbnails with Canva. Yep. Okay, then you can press the arrow keys to line up the text until it's in the position that fits best. And you can also adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, blur, and then if you knock down the blur, then it'll make it more defined. Back to our text. And what you can do is just copy and paste the text. You can click that button to duplicate the text. Let's bring out our shapes. And then we can tilt it if we'd like. So let's tilt it. And then make this one black. And then duplicate our text. Some people pose for their thumbnails or pick a moment to use, but I recommend posing because it looks so much better. And then let's make it red. You know how to make thumbnails for free with Canva, because chances are the viewers searching, they want to know how they can make thumbnails without Photoshop or something super difficult. Then they see that, I'm like, oh, Canva. Then that's on the box like so. Now, I've made this mistake a lot. You don't want anything in this corner here, because when you post a thumbnail on YouTube, the timestamp is going to block it, or if you premiere it, And the Premiere stamp is going to block anything in this corner. So you don't want that. And I recommend adding the black boxes because the preview on YouTube is going to be smaller. So you want to try to bring out the text in many, as much as you can, so it can still be read. So when you've done whatever you wanted, then you just click download PNG, and because I have Canva Pro, then I can do a transparent background and then click download. The image saved, and then download to my computer, and I click save as, and then I'll do how to make thumbnails with Canva for free. Now, just please understand that yes, you can use Canva's free version. You don't have to pay to download it or anything, no BS. It's free for the most part. But it's just if you want more features, like you want more text and want more freedom, then you pay for their pro version. But I recommend it because I don't like feeling restricted and limited. So that's my thing there. So if you guys have any questions, then you can leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.